Now, I've been testing out the Coros Pace Pro and the Pace 3 running watches for my full in-depth comparison between these two, but moving between different ecosystems like Coros, Garmin, Apple, Samsung, Google, and some of the other brands for all of my videos means I need one place to save all of my runs and workouts, and that place for me is called Strava. Now, in this video, I'll show you how to sync your runs and GPS workouts from your Coros watches to Strava. Now, to do this, first open up the Coros app on your phone and head over to your profile at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down and then go into settings. Here you'll see the section for third-party apps where there's an entire list of other apps that you can link your Coros app and watch to. Now we're looking at Strava here, so press the Strava option and then hit connect now. You'll then be asked to log into your Strava account if you haven't already, and then presented with these options to authorize access between Strava and Coros. I just leave all of them checked and then press the authorize button. And that's it. All of your runs recorded on your Coros watch hereafter should automatically upload to Strava once you sync the Coros app with your watch. And you should see the small green tick mark next to the Strava option here in the Coros app to confirm that. Now, to disconnect Strava from the Coros app for whatever reason, head over to your profile again, then settings, third-party apps, Strava, and then press this disconnect button at the bottom. Confirm the disconnection and that will now stop syncing your Coros data to Strava. So that's how you sync your Coros watch to Strava. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you press that like button and don't be shy from pressing that subscribe button, especially if you don't want to miss out on my full in-depth review of the Coros Pace Pro, a comparison with the Coros Pace 3 as well as the Garmin Forerunner 265. See you in the next one.